from this big video, this is my awesome character, Sake. I made him so long ago. I have many pictures of him in different styles. I got this picture of Toby, and then I made it into Sake. He's a really awesome character, and I just had to show you this picture. I finished it just now. Thank you for watching this video, and my brother's camera's broken, so we can't really make videos with his camera right now till we get a new camera. So, thank you. Hope you think Sake is awesome. Leave a comment or stars or a response telling if you think Sake is awesome or if you don't think he's awesome. And if you don't,